Hello everyone. Welcome to OneNet. This video will show you Harmony of the Seas cruise ship tour and review. This video describes the detail of Harmony of the Seas cruise ship, including the description about the decks and cabins of the ship, shipboard entertainment options, suites, and shipboard dining options. Hopefully the explanation can be used to consider the cruise ship of your dreams. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Harmony of the Seas features a multi-deck waterslide area that is a first for Royal Caribbean. It is also the first Oasis-class ship with robot bartenders serving drinks in the Bionic Bar, a concept that debuted in 2014 on Quantum of the Seas. Harmony has bigger cabins than Allure and Oasis in some categories, and windowless interior cabins outfitted with virtual balconies, offering a real-time view of the outdoors. First debuted in 2014 on Navigator of the Seas. Harmony's suite passengers benefit from exclusive new areas including a suite lounge, a private restaurant called Coastal Kitchen and full-service suite Sun Zone. New restaurants include the Wonderland Imaginative Cuisine Eatery which first debuted on Quantum. Also added to Harmony is the modern Mexican restaurant Sabor, recently added to Allure and Freedom of the Seas. Harmony's first cruise with paying travelers was on May 22, 2016. Following an initial series of Mediterranean Sea itineraries, the ship was repositioned to Fort Lauderdale for 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean round-trip itineraries. Number 1. Decks and Cabins. Harmony of the Seas staterooms, 2,745 total, in 37 grades, include 189 suites, 1293 balcony, 200 ocean view, 505 inside, also 477 Boardwalk Central Park balcony, 78 Boardwalk Central Park interior, 18 promenade view. Most cabins are sized 150 to 180 ft 2/14-17 square meters. Most cabin balconies are sized 55 feet 2/5 of a square meter. The largest is the Royal Loft Suite, 1,530 feet 2/142 m2 plus 850 feet 2/79 m2 terrace with jacuzzi. Wheelchair accessible cabins are 46. Each cabin includes a dresser with drawer space, a sofa, a desk, vanity, wardrobes with space for hanging clothes as well as additional drawers, floor-length mirror, lighted makeup mirror, 2 beds that can be combined to create a Royal King, and 2 nightstands with cubby space. Cabins also have programmable safes, for mini bar refrigerators, phones, hair dryers and giant flat-screen TVs. TVs have a variety of channels showing things like sports, news, cruise ship programming and movies. Additional movies are available on demand for a fee. Number 2. Shipboard entertainment options. The new Harmony of the Seas ship is a novelty mixture of Oasis-class deck layout and Quantum-class innovations. The brand new additions include the first ever Royal Caribbean waterslides created by AID, Aquatic Design and Engineering, climbing play area for kids, Suite Sun Zone, Starbucks coffee bar and classic video games arcade located in the Boardwalk neighborhood, 15 studio cabins designed for solo travelers. Among the new technologies on the Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas are the RFID wristbands or WOW bands, an optional choice to replace the SeaPass cards, allowing passengers to do purchases on board and to access their cabins. Typically, the wristbands are offered complimentary to all passengers. However, on Anthem of the Seas RCI charges $5 Junior Suite and above guests still receive the wristbands for free. The Harmony cruise ship also boasts with the DreamWorks Experience, a themed programming in partnership with the Walt Disney Company. This new entertainment program is aimed at families and offers movies-themed DreamWorks activities on select RCI ships within the fleet. The list of special activities includes characters meet and greets, of course, plus photo ops, character breakfast is offered in the dining room. 3D DreamWorks movie screenings are featured in the Amber Theater. Themed games are provided by Adventure Ocean Youth Program. A new Adventure Ocean theater show, named Away We Go, was also announced for Harmony of the Seas. It is a black light puppet show for the 3 to 11-year-old set. An additional part of the onboard kids programming is the YouTube show, Muffalo Potato, teaching kids to draw anything using just letters and numbers. Number 3. Harmony of the Seas Suites. Harmony of the Seas staterooms, 2,745 total, include 189 suites, 1293 balcony, 200 ocean view, 505 inside, also 477 Boardwalk Central Park balcony, 78 Boardwalk Central Park interior, 18 promenade view. Most cabins are sized 150 to 180 ft 2/14-17 square meters. Most cabin balconies are sized 55 feet 2/5 of a square meter. The largest is the Royal Loft Suite, 1,530 feet 2/140 m2 plus 850 feet 2/79 m2 terrace with jacuzzi. The total number of cabin categories is 41, including the guaranteed categories: W Suite, X Balcony, Y Ocean View, Z Inside. The cruise ship has a total of 46 handicapped staterooms, 8 certified, wheelchair-accessible cabins, in the types, categories: Crown Loft Suite, 1, Junior Suite, 2, Family Balcony, 1, Balcony, 24, Boardwalk Park Balcony, 8, Ocean View, 2, Inside, 8. Number 4. Shipboard dining options. The ship's 3-deck quantum dining room is designed as 3 separate restaurants situated on different decks: American Icon Grill, Deck 3, The Grand, Deck 4, and The Chic, Deck 5. Harmony also includes some quantum restaurants, such as Sabor Modern Mexican, Wonderland Imaginative Cuisine, Coastal Kitchen. Ship's Bionic Bar is famous for its dancing robot bartenders. Its location is on the Royal Promenade. The Izumi restaurant features a la carte hibachi, teppanyaki and sushi menu. A total of 25 onboard dining options are available. 14 are complimentary, including room service. Harmony of the Seas has 3 main dining rooms, though the food is the same in each one. At dinner, American Icon provides set-time dining at either 6 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. Same table, waiter and tablemates every night, while the other 2 offer the My Time dining. Eat any time between 5:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m., though reservations are encouraged. American Icon also serves lunch and breakfast, but only on sea days. Like breakfast, you can order strictly off the menu, visit the buffet or enjoy a combination of both. This is the best spot to get a salad on board. Dishes are generally heavy on the salt, and we preferred the quality of the buffet options over items from the menu. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully the explanation can be used to consider the cruise ship of your dreams. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to the OneNet channel. See you in the next video.